3 Stranger Things actors didn't use sound effects. In Season 2's Halloween episode, Max jumps out and Lucas screams.
You sound like a little girl.
That scream was Caleb McLaughlin actually losing it. Then there's Will in the final seasons, where the screaming never really stops. Noah Schnapp did those scenes so intensely, he popped blood vessels in his face.
I called the doctor freaking out like, oh my god, am I dying, am I dying?
And then there's Dustin.
You will not be able to resist these pearls.
Gaten Matarazzo can actually do it.